send them a bang bang email, okay? What is the bang bang email? The bang bang email is, I'm gonna take control of my own life. It's a lot less stressful for me. So if I gotta have a meeting with Chad, and Chad's gotta wrangle KT, he's gotta wrangle Gary, and he's gotta wrangle Mike Dickens, right? I'm gonna first and foremost think about myself. Put your mask on before helping others. And I'm gonna go, I got a 20-minute block here. I got a 15-minute block here on Thursday at 1 p.m. I mean, that would be my ideal time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up a calendar invite and I'm gonna create an invitation for the meeting, 15 minutes. I'm not gonna stretch it out really long. If it's a 10-minute conversation, make it a 10-minute invitation for, what time did I say? We'll just say 1 p.m. Thursday. For 1 p.m. Thursday, I'm gonna put Chad's name in the invite. I'm gonna hold it, I'm not gonna hit send. Now I'm gonna write a separate email. And that is gonna say meeting 1 p.m. on Thursday. And I'm gonna say, Chad, as promised, I've created a meeting invite for 1 p.m. on Thursday. I've sent that to you, an invitation. If that time works, simply, I'm gonna use the word simply because I'm showing Chad how simple it is to accept the meeting. Simply accept the meeting and forward to anybody else that you want to attend, because I know he's going to have to invite Mikey D and Chris, right? And if not, okay, period, forward to anybody you'd like to attend. If not, feel free to suggest a new time. And then why is this called a bang bang email? Because I've now have the invite sitting there on my desktop or my phone, right? And I have the email. Once they're both written, bam, send on the email, and then bam, right afterwards, send on the invite. I lay in bed and I'm thinking about this stuff so you guys don't have to. How this is going to display to Chad is beep beep, he's going to get a meeting invitation. And then instantaneously afterward, he's going to get an email that talks about the meeting invitation. Because if you guys just send a meeting invitation, Chad is going to go, who the hell is this guy? Who does he think he is? He doesn't control my schedule. But if Chad gets a meeting invitation, goes, what's this? But then instantaneously there's an email after it that says, hey, I've gone ahead and set the time for Thursday, 1 p.m. If that time works, simply accept and forward to your team. If not, feel free to suggest a new time. Now Chad's going to go, he's pretty organized and professional. His time's pretty valuable. Thursday at 1, I mean, it's not great, but I'll just tell Chris to move his meeting with the program engineers later. Let's go ahead and do it. And there's a 92% chance they'll accept the meeting. 8% of the time, Chad's going to go, that's not works for me. I'm in the doctor, right? Can we do Friday? To that point, I'm just going to change the existing meeting invite to Friday. Keep it really, really simple. Okay? I don't want to spend a bunch of time on this, but this is something that we screw up all the time. If you guys counted the amount of emails you sent back and forth to prospects, does 2 p.m. work? No, doesn't work for us. Does 1 p.m. work for you? No, it's thousands of emails. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing, right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.